On June 29, 1764, at about 1:05 p.m., a tornado touched down 1.5 kilometers southwest of Feldberg, in present-day Germany. Damage from the tornado was initially weak, as the tornado uprooted oak and beech trees. The tornado escalated to F2 to F3 strength as it threw 2 children into a lake, both of which survived. Several geese were also smashed by hail. At around the same time, the tornado would grow to a width of 110 yards. Continuing to the northeast, the tornado crossed a nearby lake and was spotted by an eyewitness, who described the tornado as a wedge tornado. The eyewitness also mentioned that the lake's water level rose in what was most likely a seiche, and then retreated around the same time of the tornado's passage. After crossing the lake, the tornado would strike a nearby home, unroofing it and blowing all the walls away. This is where the only fatality from the twister occurred. The tornado shifted east-northeast as it narrowed to a width of 49 yards. As the tornado reached its smallest width, still maintaining F3 intensity, a possible twin or satellite waterspout merged with the tornado along the shore of Lake Lusing. Immediately after the merge, the tornado changed direction to almost due north and intensified to F4 strength as it completely destroyed a beech timber forest. After destroying the forest, the tornado reached a width of 246 yards, snapping and uprooting several solitary oak trees and throwing them up to 38 yards into the air. Ground scouring would also occur at this location. Crops, grass, and 10 centimeters of topsoil were removed. After scouring the ground, the tornado turned northeast, where it completely destroyed the Lichtenberg forest. The tornado increased in severity as it debarked an oak tree at F4 strength before reaching its peak intensity at the Lichtenberg dairy farm. The mansion was completely destroyed, with only the foundation remaining. Old oak stubs were ripped out of the ground from the area and made airborne. Cobblestones weighing 75 kilograms were turned over a few meters away. The European Severe Storms Laboratory stated that the incredible damage seen at the mansion warranted a rating of an F5 on the Fujita scale or a TORRO 11 on the TORRO scale, with estimated wind speeds of at least 480 kilometers per hour or 300 miles per hour. An eyewitness who saw the tornado at this time stated the experience as being surrounded by birds trapped in the vortex. After destroying the mansion, the tornado rapidly weakened to F1 strength and left a damaged path of light damage in forested terrain. The tornado then rapidly intensified as it struck Rothkirch. Here an old oak tree was uprooted, which lifted a skeleton out of a grave at F3 intensity. At around this time, the tornado reached its maximum width of 980 yards as it caused severe damage to an oak and beech tree forest. The tornado then continued northeast, passing just west of Woldegk, where it damaged a mansion, tore 2 barns apart, and overturned 7 dung carts at F2 to F3 strength. Further to the northeast, the tornado struck an airborne flock of geese, killing some and injuring 60 to 100 geese. Isolated tree damage was seen around this time as well. The tornado then struck Helpt at F2 strength, where a mansion and another structure sustained roof damage, as well as the upper floor being removed from a gatehouse. After striking Helpt, the tornado would finally dissipate.